Now we are going to nest if with and. But let's talk about the condition first. As we have discussed earlier, that this company wants to distribute bonuses to its employees on the basis of their total performances. But as they have done it earlier, that if the total performance is 15 or more than 15, the person will be treated as qualified. The result was not in favor of the company, as out of 20 people, 19 were qualified for the bonus. So they say, let's make this criteria a bit hard for the employees to get qualified now. So they say that we are going to distribute bonuses on the basis of their level-wise performance instead of their total performance. But before that, I am going to discuss a concept of and concept of or. And as you already know that both the conditions are true, and or is either one of them is true. I'll explain you. If a person is sitting for, let's say, 5 exams and the condition of A and D and is there, so he has to clear all the 5 exams to go to the next level. But if he fails to do even a single exam, he'll not go to the next level. But in the case of or, if a person manages to clear even a single exam out of 5, he'll go to the next level. So here company says that we'll focus on their level-wise performance. And as you can see, the maximum score in a single level is 10. So they say, let's take a mid number, which is 5. So they say that if a person get 5 or more than 5 in all the 3 levels, level 1, 2 and 3, then only the person will be treated as qualified. So as you can sense it out, this is the condition of A and D and. So I'm going to start the formula equals to if. I'll open up the formula by pressing tab. Now the condition is and. I have to put 3 conditions in this logical test. So I'm going to say A and D and, because and or both are formulas in Excel. So I'm going to press tab and here we go. This is the first time that we are doing the nested formula since we have started this course. Now here logical 1, logical 2, logical 3 and so on. Now the logical is basically the condition. So the first condition in AND formula is mandatory. Apart from that, you can see anything is optional. So the first condition is that level 1 must be greater than equals to 5, comma, level 2 should also be greater than equals to 5. Similarly, comma, level 3 should also be greater than equals to 5. Have a look, guys. As and when I'm going to close this bracket, the parenthesis, you will see the syntax of if will come back. So I'm going to close down the bracket here and syntax of if will come back. Now, this is not the job of if to find out that in all the levels the value is 5 or more than 5, but this is the job of AND. So collectively, if I select it to show you, if collectively the result of this condition is true, it means the person will be treated as qualified. So I'll press comma and in place of value if true, I'll write qualified in double quotes, comma, now value if false. If this condition is false. It means if a person fails to achieve 5 or more than 5, even a single level, the person will be treated as disqualified. So I'm going to put double quotes. I'll go and write disqualified double quotes. So I'll close down the bracket here, and if I press enter, you can see the person Ravi, who was qualified earlier, is now disqualified. So I'm going to copy and paste it down using this double click method on the right bottom corner of the cell. Here we go, and we can have the results with us. We have in total 5 people who are qualified. So this is how we can use if with and. And in and you can put more than 3 conditions also. So it's one of the beautiful function in Excel that we can use. In the next video, I'm going to give you an exercise. So just go to the next video and do that with me. Thank you.